elephant cake. Okay, it's an IGT machine. I've had more luck with these kind of machines than I have with Konami, so, there you go. So, I'm gonna bet $3 because I don't know. I don't want to bet 6. I feel like it'll be gone too fast. What happened? $10? That was a quick. Yeah, it was very quick. The payment was very quick. It didn't like ring. It just gave it to you. I guess it's a very pretty machine. Don't know what the phone. Oh, something's happening. It's shaking, and there's a big elephant, and it's a $40 win. Okay, well, that's exciting. All right. I'd love for that to say $4,000 win, but hey, you're not going to complain. See how quick it is? It doesn't ring up, or it rings up very fast. Now I'm looking through the camera, so I'm not looking at it directly. 20 cents. Just by the time I look at it, it's already done. So it's just a quick. You know how some machines they roll. This one just does it automatically. The actual dollar amount that you win, $1.40. I'm betting $3 a shot, so. Oh, it's happening again. Oh, I guess it didn't mean anything. I thought it was doing it again. I guess it was a tease. Oh, look at that. That looks like that might have been something. Alright. Well, I'm doing my delay tactic. So far it hasn't worked today. You know, I don't push it right away. I just delay a little bit. For some reason, I think that does a little better. But at this point, it hasn't. Oh, I see. So if you get it, you got what's at the top. There's a little bit of a hit. See, 240 I'm hearing a different noise. I'm thinking something's happening. Oh, there's a $400 thing there. Oh, does that mean I would have gotten that? Oh, so that, see, there you go. Whoa, come on, do something. Does that mean something? One more chance for the $400. Oh, I got all, oh, it has to have the big elephant. I think that's what does it. Oh, and you got free games. Look at that, you got free games too. So I have a chance for free games if I get that thing on it. Let's see that, come on. Oh, almost, see that thing right there. That thing lands, I believe, I'm figuring this out as I go along. I believe that you'll get whatever's there. It doesn't land that often, $1.40. There's free games again. So the music changes. Oh, look at that. I lost my $36. The music changes a little bit. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't have it loud enough. It's very loud in this casino, but the music changes a little bit when something a bigger hit up top occurs. So I guess it's letting you know. Yeah, it's not doing any kind of bonus or just that's the only thing I've gotten on this machine so far. Very quiet. Wild. That's 460. It's doing it again. So come on. very exciting for a $3 hit. My profit on that was 20 cents. 3 games is there, so it's possible to get free games on this. Another $1. Boy, it's just not on my side right now. There goes the free games. Wow. Come on, I need something to save the day. It's taking all my money at the end there. It was a little hit, $1. Okay, well, it gave me back my bet in $1.80. I mean, that's, yeah. There, it took it all. Well, look how even it did it. So I'm actually going to try this one more time. It's pretty crazy, but let's try this. Yeah, all right. So Elephant King, I need you to help me out here, okay? Really quiet. I mean, it's really quiet. Need something to be need some excitement here. That's just. Yeah. $80 thing. Come on, line it up. Need some sort of hit here. Another 60 cents. There it goes again. Alright, 5 of a kind. Let's see what you got for me here. $11. Well, you know, it's an IGT machine. It's not Konami, but it has a very similar pattern to the Konami. You know? You know, it's if it doesn't bonus, then you're not gonna have much of a chance. Yeah, it's fun to play. Well, nothing's fun if it doesn't give you anything. Come on, there we go. It looks like something's happening. All right, what'd you give me? 3 games. So, all right, something happened on this machine. What do we got? We got look for the elephants on all 5 reels. Press a button or touch the screen. I'm pressing a button. Oh, what do we? So 10 games, and it's making it's shaking. Whoa, that was an emphatic move there. This thing's a very exciting machine when it's happening. $44. All right. Big win. I mean, I'll certainly take $44, but a big win is like 1,000. Look at that, come on. Oh, 2 more free games. All right. That's nice. Oh, that looks like something else too. Another big win. 70, 80. You know, I probably should look at the, all right, good. So what do we got left? 4 out of 14 games. You know, I don't know when it has a hit. Usually you can glance and see what the hit is and before it ends. I might move this along because it's taking a long time. Oh, it didn't give me the big shake. So the shake doesn't happen every time. $1, come on, man. You need the shake then. 7 of 14. 8 of 14. We got, you know, there's a rule where you don't touch the button when it's ringing up, but you know, if it's going to go for 5 minutes, running up some change, I'm going to hit the button. Come on, how about another one of those big hits? There we go. How about the 64? Oh, 2 of them. I didn't know you could do 2. Oh, look at that. So evidently you can do 2 at a time. Looks like it's gonna crack $200. There we go. Alright, so we got 2 more. Well, last game. Alright, so now it's gonna give me it's $219. Not bad for a $3 bet. I'm a bad mathematician, so I'm not gonna tell you what X amount times X amount it is past the bet. Somebody else will know that better than me. So there you go. $219. I'm gonna do 1 backup spin because I feel like this machine. Oh, there you go. A 480. I'm gonna do a backup to the backup. There we go. Okay, we're done with this one. Okay, so there it is. The Elephant King. Nice little bonus there. Very cool. All right, there you go. Until next time. All right, great.